Hello and welcome to Ask a Mechanic. We are finally on with workshop work. We're getting this place to look like something where it could house my tools and machines to be able to do something interesting. Let me show you what I've been up to. So, the actual building itself is cheap steel and crap. So, what I've done, given that the storm destroyed the steel roof is still there, but it is now covered in damp-proof course, sealed together with the old favourite of gaffer tape. I've also sealed every join in the wall with gaffer tape. Don't worry, this isn't the finish. It will eventually be clad on the outside with featherboard. So, let's go and have a look inside. I've started to do the walls. Now what this is 4mm ply, and it's stuck to the wall with literally expanding foam. That's it. That's all that's holding it to the wall. I did this one yesterday, and as you can see, it seems to have worked pretty well. So I've put another one in today, held ably in place by a couple of lawn mowers and a load more gaffer tape. Obviously when it's set, the lawn mowers will come out the way, the gaffer tape will come off, and hopefully it will be nice and set to the wall. And then I'll cut some more pieces. I've got a load more over here. A load that I procured from someone off eBay. No, Facebook actually, I think that came from. And that will be cut to size to go all the way around. And then we can start actually putting some stuff in here. We'll be running an armoured cable up from the house so that I've got power, although as a temporary solution I'll just be running a long extension lead. So what we're going to have is there's going to be a workbench that goes from there down about 3/4 of the length of the building, and then in this bottom corner will be my toolboxes, and then as we go around here, this is going to be filming corner. So I've got a chair very generously supplied by Comline Auto Parts that I'll be sitting in. There will be a banner behind me, probably an Ask a Mechanic banner, but we'll see. Anybody else wants their banner up there, let me know. And then there's going to be shelving units up here, and then compressor and welder over in that corner. I'm not going to be doing anything else to the roof. I was going to felt it, but I don't think I'm going to, because as it is, the weight that's currently on it, I'm not all that sure how well that's going to go, because it doesn't actually seem all that strong. I don't really want it to collapse. So I'm just going to see how we go with the polythene for now. If we need to upgrade it in the future, then we will. And also, I'm not going to do anything to the inside of the roof, because as you will see, already very, very close to it. And I am fed up of it in my head already. But there we go, not much we can do about that. As you can see from the floor, the whole unit is actually raised up 6 inches. That was to try and give me a little bit more headroom. In hindsight, I might have gone a bit higher, but it is what it is, and we're here now. So, that's where we're up to so far. I'm going to finish doing this ply lining. I've got some timber on order to make a frame for the front. Come back out here. These doors, again, are crap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a timber frame which goes all the way up here, across there, and down the other side. And then I'm going to take these 2 white panels out, and I'm going to put in a proper timber door. Yes, by the time I've finished, I'll probably have ended up spending as much as it would have cost me to get a wooden one in the first place. But at the time, I got what I could get with the money that I had. So that's where we're up to. Once I've built the timber frame around the door, I'm going to be taking these apart. I'm going to be using the timber from those to clad it on the outside, just on the front. And then I'm going to be building another timber frame for the sides and the back, and I'm going to clad that with featherboard so that it looks nice. So that's where we're at the moment. I'm hopeful that I can get it done as quick as I can. Being in Britain, we are at the mercy of the weather, which has been absolutely bloody terrible, to be honest with you, but I'm glad that I'm finally getting some stuff done on it anyway. So I'll update you as and when I have another update. Bye for now.